Hi. Today what we're going to do is something very simple for me, and I think it is for a lot of people. It's called garlic bread. We have it almost at every meal, and we all love it. And I'm going to show you the ingredients and how we prepare it. Okay? My grandson cut the bread for me already. I usually buy semolina because that's the bread I like best. But any French bread, any Italian bread, you can use any one. Also, what I would suggest, if let's say you're having a small dinner party and you want to make individual, you can get a little roll and make everyone's garlic bread separately. I think that would be a nice idea. But today we're just going to do this because it's just us. Okay? So the ingredients for this is butter, garlic, parsley, grated cheese, and then I put paprika for color. Now, years ago, a very dear friend of mine who has since passed had told me how to do garlic bread. And what I do, I put this in a pan. I melt the butter with the garlic. I add a little salt and pepper. And when it's melted, we brush it onto the bread. Okay, I'm just going to show you. I have my butter in the pan. Put the gas, I would say, a little higher than medium because you want to melt the butter. And we love garlic, so I think this is about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Excuse me. But if you don't like all that garlic, certainly you can put less. And we're just going to wait for this butter to melt. And then I'm going to add some parsley flakes. And I don't think I'm going to add any salt because the garlic and the cheese does have salt. But I am going to add a little pepper. Okay. Excuse me. And it should melt rather quickly. The butter is melted, okay, and the garlic is in there. And I'm going to add some dry parsley. I use unsalted butter when I cook. I think it's better because then you can control the salt content better. But if you like salted, that's up to you. Okay, just a little parsley for some color. It really doesn't add too much to the flavor. And now my grandson, who's been with me from the very beginning, he's going to butter the bread for us. Okay, it's all ready, honey. There's your brush. Now, when I do anything that I don't want it to stick, I always use the non-stick foil. So we're going to cut the sheets and prepare them. So as soon as he butters one, I'm going to do it. Okay? I'll hold it open for you, okay? Okay.
So should I like pour the garlic?
No, you don't pour it. Just spread on both sides and then we'll pour the rest. Make sure it gets on all sides at the bottom. And then we're going to add grated cheese. Yeah, get in all those grooves. Okay. And now let's do this one and then we'll go back. Whatever we have left, we'll do it again. Okay? We're going to take the garlic and spread it on here. Okay? Okay, you want me to hold it for you? Be easier?
Yeah.
I'll hold it for you.
Right.
I think we're going to need a metal spoon. I think it'll be easier. Let Grandma do this and you can get a metal spoon, honey. I think it'll be easier for us. Yeah, it's much easier. Now I use Pecorino Romano cheese. Some people prefer Parmesan and that's fine, whatever you like. Or you don't have to put any cheese, but we like cheese. Okay, and then sprinkle some cheese on it. Okay, I think that's enough. I put paprika on it for color because when I serve it, I cut it in half. So I put a little paprika for color. Not much at all. Now this goes in the oven, I would say, for about 10 minutes. But what I do, because I like these crispy, after 10 minutes your bread is done. But I like it crispy, so what I do is I open it up after 10 minutes and make it cook again half. You know, I open it in half. So if you want to do that, fine. If you don't, your bread will be done in about 10 minutes. And the oven, I would say 350. And I use the non-stick foil, so you're not going to have any issue. It's been in the oven for 10 minutes. I know it's cooked, but what I'm going to do now, and you don't have to do it, I'm going to open them up and put them back in the oven for about 5 minutes to let them crisp. Okay? Oh boy, does that look good. Okay, the garlic bread is done. My grandson's going to eat it like this, but we like it crispy, so I put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Don't forget, if you love my recipes, please subscribe to my channel. And have a great day. Thank you.